Animals belonging to class Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia, all of them breathe through lungs. So from this table you have to learn only those group of animal with their respiratory structure and respiratory organ which are given in your NCERT. Let's start with the very important topic according to your exams and according to your competitive exam. Many questions are asked from this topic, that is pulmonary volume and pulmonary capacity. What do you mean by pulmonary volume? The quantities of air the lungs can receive, hold or expel under different conditions are called respiratory or pulmonary volume. I repeat, please note down, the quantities of air the lungs can receive, hold or expel under different conditions are called respiratory volume. Next is pulmonary capacities. What do you mean by pulmonary capacity? It refers to a combination of two or more pulmonary volumes. I repeat, a combination of two or more pulmonary volume. First of all, we will start with the pulmonary volume. So what was the pulmonary volume? The quantities of air the lung can receive, hold or expel under different conditions are called respiratory or pulmonary volume. First is tidal volume. When you are at home, now you are sitting, so what type of breathing is going on? That is normal breathing. You are inhaling and exhaling the air. Note your breath. This is the normal breathing. So what is tidal volume? It is the volume of air normally inspired or expired in one breath without any effort. It means right now you are not putting any extra effort to take in air or to exhale air. This volume is known as the tidal volume, and the amount of tidal volume is 500 ml. Okay, so what is tidal volume? It is the volume of air normally inspired or expired in one breath without any effort. That is the tidal volume. So normal breathing is known as tidal volume and its amount is 500 ml. Now from this 500 ml, only 350 ml of air enters into your lung alveoli. Means the alveolar sac, they receive only 350 ml of air for the exchange of gases, and this is known as alveolar volume. And the remaining 150 out of 500 fills the respiratory passage. What does it mean? When you take in air, some of the air around 150 ml, it remains in your respiratory tract like trachea, bronchi, bronchioles. It is filled with about 150 ml of air. But what amount of air it goes to your alveolar sac? That is the 350 ml. So 350 ml, that is the alveolar volume, and 150 ml air which fills your respiratory tract, that is not of any use because it doesn't reach the alveoli. So that is known as the dead space volume. So total volume is 500 ml of tidal volume.